How to fix if fingerprint sensor is not working with screen protector on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to settings of your phone. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to search button located on top right corner of your screen. And then search fingerprint. You'll find fingerprint unlock option. Click on fingerprint unlock. Then click on fingerprint unlock again. Then it will ask you pattern of the phone. Do the pattern of the phone, then delete the fingerprint which is available. Then click on add fingerprint, then add your new fingerprint. After you're done, click on done. And then it will be fixed. That's how you fix if your fingerprint sensor is not working with screen protector on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.